Hello guys, I am here again with this new effect, Lightning Hit, and we will check each and every element how I created this. So you can see very cool effect, and it is very easy. You can easily make this, and you can add lots of other thing in this if you want. Very cool and very easy effect. So let's just start and see what elements I have added in this. So this is lightning hit effect, and you can see in cascade you can't see the whole effect because you can only see these spikes, and the rest of the effects are depend on the collision. So you cannot see here until you don't have here geometry. So you can turn on geometry, but this is very small, so it's not colliding with this. So I will show you in my viewport how I created this. Okay, so first of all you have this source. Okay, this has spark texture and cylinder emitter. You can see this cylinder, and they are emitting from the cylinder and falling on ground. So for falling you can use velocity in negative, or you can use acceleration also, and it has actor collision because it should collide with ground, so that when it collides all the elements will emit from ground. And it has also light. You can see they are emitting from cylinder and colliding with ground, and there is emitting a light. And I will show you one by one all the emitters. So first of all I will turn on this lightning, and you can see there is some purplish thing. So this is the very small purple light that emitting on the collision. For the collision, what I done, use event generator on source and mention the type collision, custom name, you can type anything. Then on your lightning I used event receiver, same generator type collision, same name, spawn. So when this source will collide, then this lightning will emit. Okay, then again lightning 2, same event receiver, and you can see some lightning emitting, and I will show you the mesh of this lightning. This is the mesh, and this is material, very simple material. Okay, and when they are colliding, this mesh is emitting and this mesh is scaling over live. If I turn it off, you can see they are just emitting but not scaling. So with this is scaling, and it also have light random rotation. You can see they are rotating also. Okay, then third one, sparks. You can see this purplish spark. I will turn off this lightning and only the source and the spark. Okay, source are these spikes are streaks colliding with ground, and sparks emitting. Okay, very simple material for spark and texture. They are aligned at velocity because they are stretching, you can see, and when they are dying, they are the size is getting very small. You can see I used size over life, and I have added a light also. Okay, then I turn off it and turn it on my second spark and restart this. Same sparks, just the color are different because I need two color spark. You can see blue and purple. Then turn it off and ground aura. This is a billboard that is oriented on Z axis. I have locked the axis, you can see on Z axis, and same event receiver, they are emitting only one aura. And texture is, this is my texture, and this is panning. You can see this texture is panning. And also scaling over life. Okay, then I will turn it off. Source spark. The start is when they are coming down, some sparks also emitting from them, and for spark I used the cylinder emitter. If I show you this cylinder, you can see this cylinder. This is very long cylinder. Then some orbit for random movement, you can see. With this spark I have added a second spark that is red. You can see if I turn it off, you can see red sparks for just variation. Okay, then some smoke. Restart this, you can see some smoke also emitting from the source. So this is very easy actually. I don't have much elements in it, just a source, some lightning sparks, one aura, and some smoke. So let's check it out one by one in Viewport. First of all, you have this streaks, then one lightning, then second light, this is scaling over life, then some sparks, purple, then more sparks that are blue, then some ground aura, the yellow one. You can see this is, I have locked on the Z axis, then source sparks. From the cylindrical shape of the streaks that coming down, the sparks are emitting. Then source sparks red, you can see some red sparks here, and some smoke. So overall very nice effect. You can add different texture on streaks, or maybe you can add mesh or something. You can change things in this effect. First you can follow my steps, then you can add more colors in sparks, more variation in maybe in aura texture, and I don't know, you can add anything you want in this. You can add some fire in it if you want. This was just a simple idea to give you a basic idea of how to create this type of effect. Okay, if you have any query about this or any of my other tutorial, you can comment below on my videos and subscribe my channel, like my videos, share, and thanks for support. And I try to make tutorials on the topic that you are suggesting me. Someone told me to create a destruction, and maybe soon I will create a destruction and some of my subscriber asking me to make some water effect, so I will definitely create some effects. So this was lightning hit tutorial, or you can call it breakdown. It was breakdown actually. So I hope you understand something and it was helpful for you, and bye. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Keep learning.